Hey, what's up, 8th grade? Mr. Catlin here, helping out with your last homework problem of the week. We only got one more week of these, so we're winding the homework season down. And we're looking at lesson 10 here. We've got a man that's trying to zombie proof his house, and he wants to cut a length of wood that will brace the door against this wall in the hallway. Now, the wall is 4 foot away from the door, as we can see here, and he wants the brace to rest 2 foot up the door. Feels like that's a good spot for it to be sturdy. So how long does he need to cut this piece of wood so the brace is the appropriate length and it lands 2 foot up? Zombies out here, safe inside, brace, height, length. This makes a right triangle. So if we have a right triangle and we know the side lengths, we know that we can find the last side length by using the Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to find the length of this brace by setting that up. Now I'm going to draw the picture of it because I think it's pretty easy. We've got a 2 by 2 side length here, which would be 4 square units. And we've got a 4 by 4 down here at the bottom, which would give me 16 square units. And the brace would be the larger square, which would be the sum of these two, and make it 20 square units. Now, the brace doesn't need to be 20 feet long. It needs to be the square root of 20. So this length right here needs to be root 20 feet long. But, I mean, this is in feet, and if you're cutting a piece of wood, you don't want to tell somebody to cut a piece of wood that's root 20 feet long. We need to approximate about how long that is so we can actually cut a piece that would work. So if root 16 is equal to 4, and root 25 is equal to 5, then where would we expect root 20 to land? Well, it's 4 above that and 5 below that, so probably right about here would be where root 20 is. And we would guess that to be probably about 4.5, 4.4, somewhere in that range. I'm going to say about 4.5 feet. So you could say this is about 4.5 feet. If you like inches, you could say this is about. What are y'all doing back here?
I can't find a pencil.
Oh, okay. Right there.
No, they're not sharpened.
Right in the middle of the video. That's my daughter and Mr. Miller's daughter. Photo bombing in the middle of the video. They say hi. All right, so 4.5 feet would be 48 inches plus a half a foot, which would be 6. So this would be about 54 inches. You can go with either one of those would be correct. So 4.5 feet, 54 inches. That would be how long it needs to cut that brace to be able to fit and wedge in between that wall and that door to keep the zombies out. And that's all I got for today. Be ready to have your homework ready to turn in and quiz for tomorrow. Later, guys.